I'm sitting quietly on the side of this dirt road overlooking the serene pond below, waiting for the majestic eagle to take flight that I spy in the pine tree on the other side of the pond. This is why we boondock. Hey guys, we're Kim and Norm from Mountain Beaches, the channel that brings you all the very best in RV living so that you can live your dream to discover new adventures.
If you're new to our channel, we'd invite you to subscribe and ring that bell so that you get notified every week when we release a video. If you're coming back, thanks for joining us again.
Tell me about the fish.
Oh, yeah. I saw a whole school of fish. There were probably 20 of them. Just right up in this little...
Oh, you're lying.
No, I'm not. In this week's adventure, we are boondocking at one of the most gorgeous spots ever, just outside of Ketchum, Idaho.
It is absolutely gorgeous here. I think it's one of my favorite boondocking spots.
Yeah, mine too. It's just beautiful. Tonight's date night, we're going into town and get some dinner.
Yes, we are. Let's have some fun.
Here we are in Ketchum, Idaho, and we now have our name on the list for dinner at the Pioneer Saloon.
Can you see me smiling with my eyes, hon?
From what we've been told, if you haven't eaten there, you haven't seen Ketchum, Idaho.
So here in Ketchum, you've got to wear masks even outside, and which is different for us than our town. But, you know, we do what we got to do. Here we go. Such a cute bench. I'm going to cheat again. I love these benches.
So what are you going to get?
I'm going to get scallops.
Scallops. Ooh.
Yeah, scallops, some grilled vegetables, and then the dinner comes with baked bread, house salad, and rice. So,
All right.
Yummy.
My menu has only one item on it, and that's prime ribs, so I think that's what I'm going to get. That is one big hunk of beef I got.
That is. Will you share? Yes, you will.
Okay.
Yes, you will. Because I'm
She told me I will, so I will.
You know?
You got to do what the wife says.
Not always, but he's learning.
Always.
And I'll share my scallops because that's who I am.
Yep, because it's too much for you to eat.
That's right.
That was a pretty yummy dinner.
It was delish. It's been a long time since we've gone out.
It's been forever.
Yeah. That place, if you're in Ketchum, I would highly recommend the Pioneer Saloon.
Yep.
Really good.
The advertisement says if you haven't been there, you haven't been to Ketchum, and I think that's true. That was just a ton of beef, that prime rib I had.
Yeah, and my scallops were perfect. You had 1.5 of my scallops.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah,
very,
it was
very
delish.
good. And now, the smoke is moving in.
Yeah.
There was no smoke in the sky yesterday, and now it's,
it's pretty thick.
Let me see if I can turn the camera around and see if you can tell. See that yucky sky? I don't know if you can see the mountain over there. through the camera. I can see it, but man, it is yucky sky.
It changed a lot just since we've been in at dinner. I mean, honestly, not as bad as pictures we've seen from the Bay Area and California and Southern Cal, but big difference. Definitely a big difference.
Yep. All right, let's work our way back to our trailer.
Yeah.
We got dessert to go.
Yes, we do. Berry cobbler.
My favorite, berry cobbler.
I'm loving this. He's got to keep his eyes on the road.
I do. Eyes on the road and trying to spot any place to pull out if we come across another vehicle going the other way.
And there's one right here.
First one in a long way.
We think there's a mine up this road. I don't know if we're going to go all that way or not.
Remember in our last week's video, we went fishing and caught some nice trout. We're going to cook up a few of those for breakfast this morning. We're going to have fish and eggs and hash browns. Kim's getting things ready.
Who in the world likes fish for breakfast? Now, some of you might just gag on that, but we started this, it's not a tradition, but we started this when we went to Maui. We went out to breakfast one time and they had fish and eggs. And oh my gosh, it's absolutely delicious. So yeah, that's what we're having. A little bit of veggies in our eggs, and we're almost ready to go.
Time to get this feast cooking. I got the griddle warming up. We're cooking it on the BLACKSTONE, of course. And first thing I need to get started on are the potatoes and the veggies.
How's it coming?
It's going really good. It's nice and hot.
You got the veggies going?
Yep, veggies going. The potatoes are cooking good. This is looking good. I'm ready for the fish.
Here it comes. I think we got the big one in this bunch.
Oh, yeah. That's a good looking fish.
Yep. I think you caught this one and I caught this one. I would just pick them up by the tail and put them on.
There we go, Mama. Mountain Mama. My hibachi skills are very bad, but I can do that. That was the craziest thing. So about 1 in the morning, all of a sudden, there's this barking and whining and howling.
It wasn't really a normal bark.
It wasn't like a normal dog barking, but that's the closest thing I could think of. And it sounded to me like an animal was dying. It was in the middle of the night, and it wasn't right next to us, but it sounded like it was. And then this morning we heard it again. So I don't know. It was weird. It was loud. It was creepy. Kim said it's the, what did you call it?
Oh, the zombies.
The zombies coming after us.
With all the smoke.
Here in the apocalypse. Oh, those fish are looking so good. Make sure you don't burn it. All right, that's almost all the way cooked. Now I'm going to turn it down a little bit, throw some cheese on. We like this mix of Colby and cheddar. That's probably good. Then I'm going to put this lid over it. Help the cheese melt. Bon appetit!
Yum, you did a good job, hon.
So it's kind of the same scrambled eggs we had in our demonstration, but it looks yummy. Out for a little hike.
It's what? Almost 6 o'clock. It's beautiful this time of night.
And there's nobody anywhere in sight. We've got this all to ourselves.
This whole little valley, all to ourselves. What could be better?
This is fantastic. We're coming upon the little fishing pond right now, and lots of fish in that place.
This is where I caught the eagle. Not caught, but
Found it.
found it
Found
on
the
camera.
Yeah.
And yeah, so much fun.
Just a gorgeous, beautiful, spectacular, amazing place.
Beauticious. Leave that.
Yeah. All right, we'll turn the camera around for you.